Rich Fenner, F-E-N-N-E-R.
Okay, tell us about what you heard.
Sound asleep at 2:30, and all of a sudden, just like big whoosh, bang, and things started falling and cracking and all kinds of noises. I was asleep right in the bedroom, right up above the window, and things were banging off the roof. I couldn't find my way out of the bedroom. Tried to find a doorknob, and it was just like sheer panic. And this is what I woke up to.
When you came outside and saw the damage, what did you think?
I couldn't believe it. Could not believe it. It was happened, had to be over, and maybe it couldn't have been no more than 30 seconds, and everything was just done. It became completely silent. It was not even a whisper, and nothing was moving. Everything was like, I couldn't even describe it. It was just like amazing, and it was boom, down, over, gone, just like that.
Do you think a tornado hit here?
Absolutely. I've seen straight line wind damage, and these trees are going in all different directions. A lot of them are twisted, which means there was a rotation here. They would normally, from what I understand, they would fall flat down. Had the National Weather Service guys over here earlier, and they took some pictures down there, and they pretty much said it was definitely a tornado.
When you were in your bedroom, obviously you lost power.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, were you scared that
I was scared to death. I jumped out of bed, and I could not, I mean, I sleep in the same room every night, obviously, and I couldn't find the door handle to get out of there. It was just like, I was just stumbling around, and it was just like, I didn't even know where I was, and I couldn't get out of the room. Luckily, nothing came through the roof. I would have been trapped in the room, so it was just like amazing, just like out of the blue. I didn't even hear anything, and all of a sudden, just push, boom, bang, everything. Things banging off the roof, obviously smashing off the deck and whatever. It's just amazing.
Feel lucky to be alive?
I am. Yeah. Yep.